Hey, how finishing my day, and I just wanted to make a little update of what I did today. So I finally managed to wrap up the verify chunk. I might rename this into Merkle verify chunk, or I don't know. But this function now works, and it's verifying the data, and it's verifying it without having to join the swarm, which is really cool. So, for example, here where I'm trying it out, I get the nodes and signature from running feed.proof, which is not a public API. At least it's not documented. So I'll have to ask Macintosh and other maintainers, why is this not listed in the README? But it does return the nodes needed for verification and the signature of the root hash. And then I run the function verify chunk, and I give it feed key, data, index, nodes, and signature. And here I get the feed key. I first make all the buffers from this data. And then I'm creating a feed using that feed key. This was just like something for logging. We don't need it anymore, but okay, I'll clean this up later. So we create a feed, and then we run feed open, and this creates, I think, like a tree on the feed object, some internals from hypercore. And after that, we can finally run put buffer, and this is verifying the whole thing. And if it rejects it, we get an error. If it resolves it, we know that it's verified. So I think we will clean this up more and see what exactly we need from the open and put buffer. But so far we know that these functions are doing what they're supposed to do, so the chunks are being verified. So this is pretty awesome. But now, just before I wanted to go to bed, I figured out some issue that we're having, and it's related to encoding. So I have to figure out what type of encoding we will use, because currently I'm using UTF-8 because in my scenario I have an author who actually appends only the text. So that's not a problem. But what if we have a feed that needs hosting that is not a text, that has some other data appended? So I have to figure out all these encodings. And when we're cloning the feeds, we have to do the right encoding so that we don't get some wrong data. And here something is fishy, because I tried now to run this verify chunk. So first encoder grabs the data from original author and verifies it. And here everything is okay. But then I tried to do the same for the hoster before hoster stores the encoded. And here there's some issue. So we figure out that a tester is not sending the right encoded data to the hoster. And this is now like a thingy that needs to be resolved. And it's annoying, but it's fun. Yay. So yeah, I'll continue with this tomorrow, but I'm super happy that we have this verified chunk. I think those type of modules are gonna become standalone modules for others to reuse, but currently they're just our internal until we publish everything. So yeah, that's my update today, and hope to see you tomorrow.